Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, trying to be professional. As you can see, I have already used photos or pictures as my background, or as a watermark for the document. So today I'll be showing you all, the easiest way to add a photo background or picture watermark to your Word doc. I have already made a video on how to add text and picture watermark to selected pages or just one page. If you want to watch that video, I'll leave the link in the description box below. So yeah, let's start without any further ado. First, click on the page where you want your photo to be. Then click on Insert and then the picture. Now click on this device and choose the picture of your choice. Or just copy the picture either by right-clicking on the image and copying, or just by pressing Ctrl+C. And then, come back to the document. And then press Ctrl+V. Now click on the image. Here, you can see this box or layout options. Click on it and select Behind Text in Text Wrapping Settings. Now resize the image. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And you are done. If you want to add a washout effect, then click on Picture Format and select Transparency. Now select the transparency based on your preference, how much transparent you want your photo to be. And that's it, we are done. If you like my work, then do comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Also share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep creating.